We all love some good Mexican food, and today we're bringing it full circle with all the best in a sheet pan meal that's also freezer friendly. All you need to do is take it out of your freezer the night before and then drop it on that sheet pan, put it in the oven, and dinner's ready in under 30 minutes. Join me for sheet pan chicken fajitas. I'll show you how. Sheet pan chicken fajitas are a winner in our house, and they will be for you too. These are fabulous to just put together the ingredients and drop everything in the freezer, and when you want to use it, you can put it in the refrigerator the night before and allow it to thaw out, and then drop it on your sheet pan for dinner. You'll have it ready in 15 minutes or less, good to go. So let me show you what we've got here. In this bowl, I've got some very, very thinly sliced chicken breast. I have tried to show you those there. They are boneless, skinless, and make sure that you get a good brand that's not full of a lot of retained water so that when you bake yours, you don't have liquid running everywhere. Very important. And then we're just going to assemble this together. I have 3 colors of peppers. If you're not a fan of any particular color, most people don't like green sometimes, you can swap out whatever colors you like. And then I have 1 onion that I've sliced into half moons. And I'm just going to put those in here with my chicken and hope this bowl is big enough. Then we're going to add a little bit of avocado oil. Now the original recipe that's on Feast and Farm called for vegetable oil, which I don't use anymore. So I'm going to use avocado here. It's a high heat oil, and we're going for about a half a cup of that in there because we need that oil to help lubricate everything and get it nice and crispy and golden. Then I've got a can of green chilies. If you don't like the green chilies, you can leave them out. I just kind of like that extra flavor in here. And then in here, this is a little bit of my homemade taco seasoning. If you've not seen that video, I'll leave you a link up here so you can check it out and make your own. We don't buy bagged taco seasoning just because it's full of additional additives, MSG, sometimes gluten, and things that we just really can't tolerate. So this is the homemade version, and we really like that. So I'm going to sprinkle that in. And there was a little bit of salt in that taco seasoning, but not a ton. So I'm just going to do just a little bit more, and then we're going to do some pepper. And then believe it or not, I'm going to mix this up, and it's going in to the oven. Once everything's mixed together, just get it out on your sheet pan. And you can do this directly on your sheet pan if you want to. That's even easier. Everything out there. And then just spread it evenly so that everything has room to cook, and it's ready for the oven. Don't miss anything in our Stock the Freezer series we've been doing here on YouTube. You can check it out with this playlist right here. You can see every video we've made, and you can stock your freezers with more real food recipes. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye.